So today I have to take off these so I can put in the reinforcement plates that go behind it, because this metal is pretty thin. You start pulling on this handle and this shit here will start flexing. Mine's actually cracked on the back side of here, so I'm doing the passenger side first. I've already loosened the bolt up to get it out of the way so I can get in there and get that bolt out. It's only one bolt that holds it in, and it slides into a hole right here. So let me get this off and see what we can do. So I got the handle off. You know, like I said, there's only one bolt. Don't mind the background noise. I live by the airport and I got some noisy ass neighbors. But the plate sits in. I got these from Complete Performance. So you got to put a rivet in all these holes. You got to drill out all these holes. So I got two of them already drilled. I'm gonna put the rivet in, and then I'll drill out the rest and pop them in. So yeah, should be pretty easy peasy. Just like that, it's done. I didn't skimp. I used all of them. You know, the old me, blap, 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 blap. Maybe there, maybe there. But yeah, that's it. Time to put it all back together. Now, I can't get this little piece of shit here. I can't get this back in here because the metal's too messed up, and I'd probably slice my thumb wide ass open. So I'm gonna go to the hardware store and get me a washer and a nut to put on the back side of that. I'll probably just get two of them, do the same thing on the other side. But yeah, time to get it back together. So there it is. Billet handle. Greased up all the cable, the guts, the locking mechanism, and installed this plate. Had to go to the hardware store, like I said. Got a couple washers, new bolt, and a lock nut. So yeah, that's a fairly easy install. And I mean, whoever finds my truck after my wife kills me for some reason, you know, at least I know their doors are solid. So everybody knows these things break. They're nothing but cheap pot metal from China, sold on Amazon. So out with the old and in with the new. The billet joints. These shouldn't break ever. So yeah, that looks way better. Now I just got to find me some billet window cranks, billet door locks, and I know I can get these in billet, so that'll probably be the next thing. Way better.